Today I will be sharing with you the easiest way to make liquify effect like this in Canva. So let's start with it. So I will go to social media and then I will click on YouTube thumbnail and then I will go to uploads here, and as you can see I have uploaded this image. I will just bring it here and make this bigger. Okay, and after that I will go to edit, click on see all, click on magic expand, click on whole page and click on expand. So I will use this first picture, click on done. Okay, and I will just make it slightly smaller. Okay, like this, and I will just make it bigger now. Okay, and after that I will just click on it, click on BG remover to remove the background. Okay, and I will duplicate this page. Okay, and after that I will click on edit again, and this time I will scroll down to find filters, click on see all, scroll down to find mono and click on slate. Okay, and make sure the intensity is 100%. Okay, and after that click on outside, and now go to apps here, click on here in search and write warp, click on warp brush and select this image and click on warp. Okay, and decrease the brush size to 160. So 159 is okay. Now use this one and move it to the left side. Okay, like this. Click on save. Okay, and after that click on this icon, click on go to layer, click on show layers, and after that select the main image, click on edit, click on adjust, increase slightly the brightness and the saturation. Okay, so this is the easiest way to make the liquify effect in Canva. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you have learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.